Are you interested in a sound and profound way to earn free Bitcoin? And I do mean free Bitcoin. And I'm not just talking about 1 or 2 Satoshis. Well, this video series is going to start the process of getting you onboarded into Bitcoin with hundreds of dollars to spare. Let's get into it. All right, guys, this is a series on teaching you how to get free money and get free Bitcoin. I know a lot of you guys are intimidated by Bitcoin and the price of Bitcoin, but I'm telling you, this is the one solid crypto you want to be invested in. Stop chasing after DeFi tokens and meme coins. Those things are going to wreck you and take your money. And I want to start off with this chart really quick, just to let you know what you're missing, guys. Because had you got in Bitcoin back in 2017, and this is a yearly chart, each one of these are a year, you could have gotten in at $2,000, 5 extra money. Let's say you didn't get in then, you got in at 2021. You paid maybe up to $45,000. You would have doubled your money. And understand, guys, over the course of time, the price of Bitcoin is steadily going to continue to increase. So it is worth your while to jump into an asset that is trillions of dollars in circulation, guys. And this is what you want to hold. You want to buy it and you want to hold it. And the purpose for this video is for those of you that don't have any money and you want to get into it. There is an effective way that you can do it, and I'm going to show you step by step in this video series. And I'm going to overview everything in this video, but I will be doing numerous videos just to step you through the process. Okay, now in order to do this, you will have to have some type of good credit. That definitely helps to jump into platforms like this and not have to invest any of your own capital. So we are going to jump on that strategy, and we're going to start this with using credit cards. Okay, so oftentimes you can use credit cards and they will pay you an upfront bonus for spending a certain amount of money within the first 3 months or so. Okay, now the reason I'm opening up this to Bank of America is because I actually did pick up this particular card here, but this is not something that I'm going to encourage you guys to do, and I'm going to show you why. All right, so here's my Bank of America account, and here's the card that I received from it, and I got a credit limit of $12,000. They say if you spend $1,000 within the first 3 months, you get $200. So for this month, I've almost hit my $1,000 peak. And once I get that, I'll get the $200. Okay. The reason the reason I don't recommend this is because they have a balance transfer offer, which is 0%, which is excellent, right? However, this really sticks to the transfer to another credit card. They don't let you take that money out and put it into your bank account. And ultimately, that's what I want to do with this money. Use the balance transfer method and just cash out. Get the cash, put it in my bank account, and use that to buy cryptos. Okay, so in the process, I'll probably knock this out in another couple days or so. So I'll receive my $200. But let me go through the steps that we will be following in this particular project. Okay, so the first thing is secure some free money. We're going to do that just like I demonstrated through the credit card. So we're going to apply for a credit card, and we're going to get an initial bonus of $100 to $200 depending on what credit card you use or apply for. Okay, I did spell received wrong. Okay, I do see that. All right, but let's move on. That's going to be step 1. The next step is going to be securing additional money. Okay, so when we get this $200, we can, or the credit cards we're going to be getting, they actually have balance transfer offers, okay? And typically these transfer offers come with 0%, so you can have it for 0% from 12 to 15 months, but you also have to pay a transfer fee. And the good thing about Bank of America, they have a temporary transfer fee right here, 3%. Okay, I'm done with that. But others have 4%, others have 5%. We want to minimize our fees, but I don't want to stick with America or Bank of America just for that 3% and not get the cash in my bank account like I wanted. So there are some other available offers that I've scoured through the web to find out which ones are best. And those links will be presented in the description below and in the description of all of the series that we are doing here. And there's something beneficial that will be added to that as well. So just understand, if I get $200, I can secure a loan from these credit cards for $5,000, okay? If I pay a 4% fee, transfer fee, that means I'm gonna pay $200. Well, I just secured that free $200 by applying for the card and spending the certain amount of money that I had to spend, okay? So for Bank of America, I had to spend $1,000 for the first 90 days. We have a Capital One that I'll be showing you where you only have to spend $500 in the first 90 days, okay? So this is going to be step 2. What does this do? This secures us $5,000, a minimum, or whatever you're qualified for. That secures us $5,000 in capital that we can use to spend on Bitcoin. Now keep in mind, guys, the price of Bitcoin today is $87,000, and we are at the cusp of another bull run. So what we're going to be doing is leveraging both time over the next few months or the remainder of the year and Bitcoin's price appreciation so that we are able to get out greater value in Bitcoin, pay off the loan, and still be able to walk away with even more Bitcoin than we have. Okay, does that make sense? All right, so the next step after securing our $5,000 or whatever amount we're able to secure from our credit card balance transfer, we are going to transfer that to a cryptocurrency exchange, okay? So that can be Kraken, Coinbase, Robinhood, whatever exchange that you prefer. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments, or if there are any particular exchanges you want me to do as I go through this video series, leave it in the comments and I will pursue that. I currently have a Gemini account, Coinbase account, Kraken account, Robinhood account. So any particular exchange you want me to play around with, leave it in the comments and I'll consider that. All right, considering the fees, of course. All right, and the next thing we'll do once we secure our Bitcoin on the exchange is move it to the wallet. Now, this isn't a requirement, guys, but this is something that's going to help you grow your Bitcoin over the course of time, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm recommending put a minimum of $100 out there. And the step after that is to use the Bitcoin that you placed in the wallet to acquire more Bitcoin at discounts, okay? So once we do that, whether you use the wallets or not, if you use the wallets, you'll take this path. If you don't use the wallets, you'll go straight here, and then consider what it takes to repay that $5,000 loan that you took out, okay? You can either map it out over the course of 15 months and say, okay, I'll pay $350 a month and keep all of my assets in Bitcoin, or you can keep some of your position available in US dollars or whatever fiat currency that you're using, and use that to pay off the loan over the next few months or so as you continue to increase and allow time for the price of Bitcoin to increase. Or you can just leverage the additional Bitcoin that you'll be getting from the Bitcoin wallets, okay? One other thing I would like to mention, there are going to be links in the description to a Capital One credit card and also to a Discover credit card. The details of it are explained, and when you click on that link, those are going to generate referral rewards. Okay, so if you already have a Capital One account or a Discover account, we will list your referral link in there as well. So while it's only one link, anyone that clicks on it, there's going to be a rotation of links, different people's referral links, so that you guys can even earn more by referring other people, and you really don't have to do anything. All that's required of you is to have an active Bitcoin wallet and to submit your wallet ID, registered email address, and your referral link to the DCS site, and all of the information to do that is listed below in the description. So this, guys, is going to be an excellent way to invest nothing and get a huge return on Bitcoin. All right, I think that's all I got for you in this video, and we will look forward to seeing you on the next one. Peace out.